tale, a strange one, begins in the veterinarian office of the Honorable Dr. Harriet Jekyll.
Thank you, Doctor. I thought my pet rat was going to die. What was that miracle drug you gave Rudolph?
It's called cheese, Mr. Tall Hat. If you give him a little each day, I'm sure he'll do well.
Bless you, Doctor. You are so kind.
The health and well-being of my patients is all that matters. Good day, sir. Come in, Pool.
You look tired, ma'am. You must get some rest.
I fear not, my faithful servant. I have a long night of work awaiting me in my lab.
I will leave you to your duties, ma'am. Good night.
Alone at last. If he only knew that I had another side to me. A side that I hide. My hide side.
A fire burned in the fireplace threw strange, shadowy shapes upon the walls. Dr. Jekyll moved toward a small table at the back of her laboratory. Slowly, she raised a clear beaker containing blood red liquid.
Delicious. Now, just a pinch of this white powder. The final ingredient. No one has made a drug like this before. The magical mixture will separate my good side from my evil side. Well, my good side will go work as a veterinarian, and my evil side will continue its wicked ways. Ha ha! This will show those who laughed at me, especially that Louis Lanyon, how he laughed when I told him that each person is really two. He who laughs last.
The doctor lifted the beaker to her lips and drank from it.
Needs a little sugar. Ah! The pain! The pain! The burning in my heart. I feel as if my bones are breaking. I can't control the shaking.
Ah! The pain is gone. I feel like another woman. I feel so different, so young and strong, and yet I'm so much taller than I was. My clothes don't fit anymore. Dr. Jekyll crossed to the mirror illuminated by the fire. Her hair was thick and wild, in total disarray. Her eyes were small and beady. Her nose was flat and brown. Her teeth were sharp and crooked. I like the look. And so created was a dark and terrible side of the good doctor. Miss Hyde, Miss Edna Hyde.
Dr. Jekyll, I brought you some Diet Coke and Nutri-Grain bars.
Well, that fool! Why does he bring the Coke now? I must drink swiftly. Ah! The pain! The burning!
The pain is gone. I am myself again. Oh, I say, Pool, is that Diet Coke caffeine-free?
An abrupt change began to take place in the doctor's normal routine. It was a change not unnoticed by her clients.
Doctor, are you sure this treatment will cure my parents' hiccups? Of course, Mrs. Sweetwater. Do not forget, I am the doctor.
Yes, but you've been holding him underwater for 3 minutes. Salty, speak to me, speak to me.
Crazy doctor, crazy doctor.
Oh, Bertie wants to go back underwater. Oh, come, Salty. Let us leave. Oh, Mrs. Sweetwater, don't forget to pay on your way out. Oh, dear, I fear that evil Mr. Hyde is beginning to creep out of me when I least expect it. That poor bird, I must make room for Hyde in my life. My clothes don't fit him. Pool.
Yes, ma'am?
I must go out.
Very good, ma'am. Where are you going?
Don't be so nosy, you nasty!
I'm off to the store, my dear Pool. I'm sorry I snapped at you. Please forgive me.
After purchasing new clothes for Hyde, Dr. Jekyll returned to her home.
Dr. Jekyll, welcome home, ma'am. Did you buy what you were looking for?
Yes, I did. I got new clothes. Buy one, get one free. Also, a woman named Edna Hyde will be visiting often. I have given her keys. She is free to come and go as she wishes. Treat her well.
Yes, ma'am.
Also, my lawyer, Gabriella Utterson, will be arriving shortly. Send her to my study straight away.
Yes, ma'am. This is so strange. Dr. Jekyll has always lived alone. Good evening, Miss Utterson.
Good evening, Poole. Is the good doctor in?
She's in her study. I'm afraid she hasn't been herself lately. Dr. Jekyll, Miss Utterson is here.
My dear friend Gabriella. My good friend Harriet. It has been a long time. I have been very busy, Gabriella. I have asked you here to discuss my new will.
Your will? I do believe it is in order.
There are some changes I want to make in it. Here is my new will.
If you die, you wish to leave everything you own with your friend Edna Hyde? It further states here that if you are missing, Hyde is to get everything you own?
Your reading is excellent, Gabriella.
But this is madness. Who is this Hyde? I have never heard of her.
She is a new friend. A very close friend.
But Harriet, this is so sudden. Is this Hyde forcing you to change your will?
Not at all.
As your lawyer and friend, I cannot allow you to do this. I would like you to discuss this with your physician, Dr. Lanyon.
Quack! Louis Lanyon has nothing to do with this. If you can't handle this, I will take my will to another lawyer.
Very well. I will take what you have written and make the changes you wish. Then return it for your signature. But you must know, I do not approve. I bid you good night.
She's right. This is a madness, but a madness that excites me as nothing has ever before. Ha ha ha!
Dr. Jekyll went to her laboratory and laid out the clothes she had purchased.
That strawberry flavoring does do the the burning, the pain.
My Hyde side is now in command. Where are my clothes? Here they are. What is this? Plaid?
Hyde quickly changed her clothes and rushed out the back door to the street.
Hey, cabby! Stop that carriage and let me on!
Here, mate. What's your hurry?
Take me to Soho and hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
Nay.
Soho was a dark and dangerous part of London, where fights occurred often, and respectable people were rarely seen.
Here you are, ma'am. Soho. Hey, wait a minute. Where's my fare?
You want your money? Go search for it.
What a time the wild Hyde had. She ate, drank, slept, and behaved in a crude manner, drinking from her finger bowl, and using the dessert fork for her salad.
Oh, she is so disgusting.
I mean, barmaid, leave me alone. I want to talk with my friends. Yes, my friends, together we will rob the banks of England. Yeah! Their riches will be ours. Yeah! I will lead you to the very crown jewels. Tomorrow we shall meet and our reign of terror shall begin. Yeah!
At last, the businesses of Soho began to close. So the terrible night came to an end, but the worst was yet to come. The next day, Hyde went out early, the day people were opening their businesses.
Good morning. Would you like to buy flowers?
Get those weeds out of my face, you little bag of rubbish.
Ow! You pushed me down and smashed my flowers.
Stop your complaining.
What is the meaning of this? Have you no feelings? You hurt this child and tried to walk away. Don't get up, child. Someone call a doctor. I am a doctor. Are you all right, child?
I am not all right. The pain, the shame, the humiliation. I'm going to the police. I have my rights.
Life rolled my cab and didn't even give me a tip.
She is so disgusting.
My name is Dr. Louis Lanyon. Perhaps we should call the police.
No, police, Louie.
What did you just say? Did you just call me Louie? Only one person has ever called me Louie.
No, I said phooey.
What do you intend to do for this child?
Well, I think she should give our family some money. £100 seems right.
Crazy.
Let's beat her up.
She is so disgusting.
All right, I'll give the girl the money, but I don't carry that much on me. Come with me and I'll get it.
The crowd of people followed Hyde to Dr. Jekyll's laboratory door. Hyde came out with £100, signed by Dr. Jekyll.
Why, this is signed by Dr. Harriet Jekyll. How does a disgusting creature like you know such an honorable doctor?
Oh, we go way back. Here, lady, now take your money, your daughter, and go.
The crowd melted away, but Dr. Lanyon remained.
Do you want to find my blood or something, Louie?
That is the second time you've called me Louie. Only one other person in the world has ever done that. Dr. Harriet Jekyll.
Lanyon, come with me and I'll tell you everything.
Slowly, Dr. Lanyon followed Hyde into the laboratory, cautiously watching her every move. Hyde was giddy, enjoying Lanyon's uneasy state.
You seem a little nervous, Louie.
Who are you? Where's Jekyll?
Oh, she's closer than you think. My name is Edna Hyde. Do you remember how you laughed at Jekyll when she told you each person had two sides?
How did you know about that?
Oh, I know many things. Come into my laboratory. I know you made fun of Jekyll when she told you everyone has a good side and an evil side. See what happens when I drink this, Louie?
Are you mad?
Mad? I don't think so. Ah, the pain! The pain!
Oh, great! This plot is way too big on me.
Jekyll, it is you. And you're Hyde too?
Yes, your doubt should be gone, Louis. You'd like to see me change again? Ah! The pain!
My journal. double life. I shall be famous!
Oh, this isn't science. This is insanity. What purpose does this serve?
You have no vision, Louis. As Hyde, I can steal the very treasures of London. When the police look for me, I can become Dr. Jekyll, the kind vet. Ha ha ha!
I can't let you do this. You shall not destroy Jekyll's good name.
Put that beaker down! That's not what I had in mind.
No, I shall burn this journal in the fireplace. Jekyll, you must put an end to this madness.
No, Louis, what I'll put an end to is you!
Dr. Jekyll! Dr. Jekyll, are you okay?
Stop!
Please! Please, open the door!
Harriet, it is Gabrielle Utterson. Open up, we are here to help you. Stay out, you fools! You won't stop me!
Harriet! Please!
Look, that strange creature is trying to kill Dr. Lanyon! Ah!
Dr. Lanyon, are you okay?
Yes, Poole, I'm all right.
Where is Dr. Jekyll? Who is this?
This is Dr. Jekyll and Mrs. Hyde. They are one and the same.
What?
A twisted science experiment. She has no pulse. She is dead.
Look! She's changing! The face of Dr. Jekyll is returning.
Outstanding!
Look! She is alive! Harriet, are you all right?
You're wounded, but not dead. How can this be?
You've destroyed my evil side. Louis, I'm sorry. You were right. A person's evil side should be kept from the world. It should not be given freedom to roam.
Yes, your evil side is dead. Your good side saved you in the end, Jekyll.
Thank goodness, Louis.
And so ends the strange story of Dr. Jekyll and Mrs. Hyde, a woman who will never be haunted by an evil side again.